Hey Syracuse, hey Central New York. I am at the main Arise building here in Fulton, New York, and this is an available office location. This is what a beautiful, look at how nicely renovated this is. Look at that. What a great reception area, right? Let's take a peek, shall we? So this would be a great space, an office. There we go. And talk about natural lighting, and what a great conference room. Ignore my clanking heels. So nearby, you have a Dunkin' Donuts, you have a bus stop, Price Chopper, a bank, Pathfinder. Yeah, I'm going to be inside giving you this tour. And then, if you notice, the doors are extra wide, as are the hallways, to easily accommodate wheelchairs or walking side by side, which is a nice feature. This could be a reception area. There's the window. If you notice, the floors are all been redone. You have freshly painted walls, new baseboard. Really move-in ready. Here's a private office. Yes, it has office furniture in it, but here's another. We'll call that office 2. Office number 3. Hey, you want a place with a nice clean bathroom? That's true. Got handrails. You already have the towel dispenser. What's nice about this location, this side, is that you have an exit and a side entrance for staff, a little eating area and a kitchen area, and that has a little sink. They're in the middle of just cleaning up and renovating, so this is where we put our extra snow because, you know, we're Central New York, and this is actually in the lake effect, the snow band. So this is the main Arise side, and it is truly renovated, move-in condition, and ready for your business. So come on, we're talking an excellent location. It has a ton of visibility, signage, great parking on site. You have security, high visibility. What else? Great location.